friends, today we are demoing this Chub surfboard made by Rocket Surf. Now this is a 410 soft top. You can see it has twin fins, and we were pleasantly surprised at how well this worked in our local wave here in Denver, Colorado. Now the board, because of its size, is super maneuverable. It carved absolutely beautifully in this little wave at this current flow. Such a joy to ride. Now because it's a soft top, it has tons of buoyancy, exactly what you need for surfing rivers. This specific wave has a really nice high green face, and so using a small board like this, especially with the twin fins, was absolutely perfect. It has a natural texture on top of the foam that really kept us nice and planted. So if you're looking to get into river surfing for yourself, this little soft top could be perfect for the beginner to intermediate surfer. That's the 410 Chub. It's made by Rocket Surf. It's a soft top, twin fin, perfect little board for surfing rivers here in Colorado. Go check it out for yourself right here on Amazon. If this has been a helpful video, then subscribe and stay tuned because we got a bunch more review videos, tutorial videos, both for surf, for mountain biking, for all sorts of adventures coming up soon. We'll see you again on the next one.